Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create triangle infographic with 5 steps. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. First go to Insert tab, Shapes and insert triangle. Increase its size, align to the middle, center to the slide. Remove outline. Duplicate the slide using Ctrl and D. Go to slide 1. Duplicate the triangle by holding Ctrl plus Shift and drag. Select both the triangle and subtract using Merge Shapes, subtract. Add light gray fill color. Add gradient effect. Linear diagonal, bottom left to top right. Go to slide 2. Duplicate the triangle to 4 times. Give different colors to different triangle. Select all the triangle and align that to its original position. Insert the parallelogram shape. Align that to the triangle top. Remove outline. Increase its width. Duplicate it 4 times and distribute it vertically. Group it. Align that to the same height as the triangle. Ungroup, select each parallelogram shape, and move that away from the triangle. Select all the parallelogram shape and distribute horizontally. Send to back. Add colors to the parallelogram shape. Now adjust the yellow marker on the triangle and adjust its height to align that with the parallelogram shape. Follow the same for the rest of the triangle and align that with the parallelogram shapes respectively. Now adjust the width of the parallelogram shapes and group that with the triangle shapes. Select all the grouped objects and add shadow. Offset top left. Copy the shape from slide 1 and paste that in slide 2. Add shadow. Offset bottom left. Group all the object, increase its size. Align that to the middle center to the slide. Add text and icons to the layout. Finally add gradient to the parallelogram shape. So here it's our final slideshow. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to click notification bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in my next video.